Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change paper size in Google Sheets document. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, change paper size. Now going to the file menu option. Now click for open. Now find your file. Do the change paper size. Now click for open file. Then you show open your file, then change paper size. Now going to the file menu option. Now click for print option, then click for a paper size, then you choose size. Now click for page to edit. Now normal 100%. Now click for select all. Then again paper size change later. That is. Now click for next. Then print. That is. Then you show change paper size in Google Sheets is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.